Hi, this is a video that describes the Shapefile polygon erosion field import feature not working. This is following up on our conversation of December 6th, and I've been I've been experimenting with importing an erosion field as a shapefile using the built-in feature in iRIC. There's some initial success and partial success, but ultimately I have not been able to get it to work. Quick overview before I show you the screen. A fairly complex erosion field does load up into the iRIC platform with the already built import feature, but ultimately it doesn't run when you try and run the program, and in addition when you try and save the program, and the program bombs. So here you have an iRIC run using actually a new center line that I've digitized. It's essentially the Ord Ferry reach, but it's extended. And it works by itself. First thing I've done is made a background erosion field here, setting an FD of 100. That's because the actual complex one that I put on it doesn't cover everywhere, and I want to make sure that if the channel is off of the erosion field, it'll have a value. So I go, as we said, to import this erosion field, and I took a DWR vegetation field and I clipped it, and then I actually set all the vegetation values to 60 just to make it easy and to test. So we set the vegetation code, set the FD, and we watch it load. It's not immediate, but it's not bad. Whoops. I clicked on it. Well, you can see that even clicking on the dialog box and trying to move it made it cease to work too. I'll start again, and I won't mess around this time. You can see it takes a little while, but not nearly as long as if it hadn't been clipped. So we're almost there. I'll show you the two ways that it fails. First of all, when you try and run it. Okay, we'll map it. Run. There you see it. Now it could be that it's the exact same problem, and that's the trying to save it, because I noticed that it failed on the message where it said save. Now I'll show you the other situation in which it's failed. So here I have loaded it again, and all I really want to do is save the file as an iPro file. Well, it's not that. You can see that you can't save it. My hunch is that the problem is in saving it, because it tries to save it before it runs it. Okay. So, in summary here, this particular methodology seems promising. Looks like it recognizes the shapefile, it loads it in. Hopefully it has the FD values and will run the run based on those FD values. Certainly would save a lot of time implementing a completely new code. But there's something wrong and it doesn't work at this point. Okay, thank you very much.